Transferring cryptocurrency to a cold wallet is a crucial step in securing your digital assets. A cold wallet is an offline storage device that protects your cryptocurrency from hackers and other online threats. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of transferring crypto to a cold wallet. First, you need to choose a reputable cold wallet. Popular options include Ledger, Trezor, and Coldcard. Each of these wallets has its own set of features and security measures, so be sure to research and compare them before making a decision. Once you have your cold wallet, you need to set it up. This typically involves creating a PIN, generating a recovery seed, and installing any necessary firmware updates. The recovery seed is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case it is lost or damaged, so be sure to store it in a safe and secure location. Next, you need to transfer your cryptocurrency from an exchange or hot wallet to your cold wallet. To do this, you will need to obtain the receive address for your cold wallet. This can usually be found in the wallet's software or on the device itself. Copy the receive address and then go to the exchange or hot wallet where your cryptocurrency is currently stored. Initiate a withdrawal and paste the receive address into the required field. Make sure to double-check the address to ensure it is correct, as transactions cannot be reversed. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. The transaction will then be processed and the cryptocurrency will be transferred to your cold wallet. This may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the blockchain and network congestion. Once the transaction is complete, you can verify that the cryptocurrency has been received by checking your cold wallet's balance. It is also important to note that cold wallets often have a small fee associated with transactions, so be sure to factor this into your transfer. Additionally, always keep your cold wallet and recovery seed in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure location outside of your home. By following these steps, you can securely transfer your cryptocurrency to a cold wallet and protect your digital assets from online threats. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to safeguard your cryptocurrency investments.